Yo, yo, yo! It's Sexual Innuendo Week. Let's try that again. Hey!
Virus
Hey, you.
has been updated.
Sexual Innuendo Week. While watching diners, drive-ins, and dives, I learned there's a dish called a three-way. And what girl doesn't want a three-way? I mean, really, what guy doesn't want a three-way? So, yeah, so we're all having three-way. Yeah. So I have out my garden, I have Peter peppers, which are peppers that look like uncircumcised penises. I shit you not. Of course, once I knew a Peter pepper existed, I had to grow it in my garden. But they're ridiculously hot. I've tried using them a couple of times, and I was really bashful with them, because the last time I used it, I just chopped the whole fucking thing up, threw it in the chili, and god damn it, that was fucking hot! I should actually explain the three-way. I mean, really, how do you explain a three-way? Actually, a three-way is spaghetti with chili and cheese. It is a dish that is part of the Cincinnati culture. Yeah, when you ask for a three-way, that's what you get. When you ask for a four-way, they throw some onions on top. When you ask for a five-way, they throw onions and beans on top. And when you ask for a six-way, it was onions, beans, and fried jalapenos. But I'm actually just going to chop up some Peter peppers. So if you want a six-way, you'll have to have an uncircumcised penis. Sorry. They're a little odd, That's it. So, yeah. The jerky will also be marinated with some Peter peppers. And then, of course, happy ending. That's again right there.
Yeah, okay, sure. Just like it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Glow.
Are we going now?
We're going.
Yes.
Oh my
Awesome.
god. Oh my god, Glow.
Can you believe what we
Totally
just had?
awesome. Oh, we're frozen.
Awesome.
too much.
Oh,
Food is
okay.
fantastic. Vanessa's food is fantastic.
That's all I have to say.
You didn't say, oh shit, fuck.